iPhone users, I have a good news for you. Now, what if I tell you there is an accurate Instagram analysis app that can help you to manage your Instagram account and also gives you insight of your Instagram account? Now, click on the link in my bio, or if you're watching on YouTube, click on the top link under the comment section to download this special application, which is the Report Plus for followers. Now, just open this application once it is downloaded and log into your Instagram account. And at the top here, you can see your total likes, your total posts, and also you can see your total comments. This app has special features over here. You can see who admires me. You can see over here your profile viewers, who blogged me, and so many functions over here. You can also see your top followers over here. This app has so many features, and once you scroll to the top here, you can click on profile viewers and you can see people who just viewed your profile over here. And you can also just go back and click on who blogged me, and with this application you can see people who just blogged you. This is a very special application. You can also click on insight and you can see your story insight over here, and you can see your top viewers, your recent viewers, and you can also click on engagement insight over here, and you can see these cool features. In this application, you can also just go back over here and then click on user insight, and you can see, you can also click on your media insight over here, and you can click on the hashtag and you can see different categories of hashtag over here. Now you can click on repost and then click on the go over here to copy and paste any post that you want to repost or reshare. Now you can also click on settings to switch to a different account if you have a multiple Instagram account. In fact, this is a very special application, so just download this application to manage your Instagram account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.